This project is model number 145, automatic door opening system by pyro infrared sensor with interrupt monitored motor. Meaning this particular project has a door opening arrangement, which we can see here how the door is opening, and this is by pyro infrared sensing device. This is the pyro infrared sensing device, or we call it sometimes passive infrared device. It has a property to sense the human body temperature, and in the process it starts operating. In this place, what we find here, this particular sensor, once supposing any human sensor comes here, any human body temperature sensing comes here, it starts operating the door, and that is how it works. And after some time it will close automatically. This is what is the project.